This conversation is powered by Google Illuminate. Check out illuminate.google.com for more. Ever wondered how bats and butterflies navigate using echolocation? This discussion dives into a fascinating simulator that explores just that.
It's amazing how these creatures use sound to see, their
A
surroundings.
simulator, it's online, right? Easy to access?
Yep, iwanttostudy.org is where it's at. Simple interface, but powerful stuff underneath.
So what exactly does this simulator show us?
It visualizes how sound waves reflect off objects, showing the echoes bats and butterflies receive. You can adjust parameters to see how different factors affect echolocation.
Like what kind of parameters?
Things like the frequency of the emitted sound, the size and shape of the obstacles, even the speed of the bat or butterfly, right?
Who are the brains behind this?
A team, Wang Jinwei, Fremont Tang, Fu Kunhuang, and Lukang. They built it using EJS, a pretty neat JavaScript framework for simulations.
And it's open source, right?
Yep, released under a license. That means anyone can use, modify, and even improve it.
So it's hosted on a site called iwanttostudy.org. What else is on that site?
It's a treasure trove of educational resources, lots of interactive simulations and learning materials covering physics, chemistry, biology, and more. Paper 2 shows a huge list of resources.
Wow, sounds like a great resource for students and teachers alike.
The HTTP headers in both papers show it uses zip compression for faster loading, and it's set up to allow access from any origin. Pretty standard web server stuff, but important for accessibility.
And the last modified date shows it's been updated, but not recently. Is that a concern?
Not necessarily. It might just mean they haven't needed to update the core functionality. The underlying science is still sound.
How could educators use this simulator?
It's perfect for illustrating concepts like wave reflection, sound propagation, and the principles of echolocation. Students can experiment and see the effects of changing variables firsthand.
It's a much more engaging way to learn than just reading about it in a textbook, yeah.
I'd love to see future versions incorporate more realistic scenarios, maybe even include different types of bats and butterflies with varying echolocation abilities.
Or maybe even add some game-like elements to make it even more engaging for students. That's a good idea. Both papers mention the same authors, suggesting a connection between the simulator and the broader educational resources on iwanttostudy.org.
Exactly. It's a cohesive part of a larger project dedicated to providing high-quality, open educational resources.
The emphasis on open educational resources is really cool. What are the benefits of that?
Accessibility is key. Anyone can access and use these resources, regardless of their location or financial situation. It promotes collaboration and innovation, too.
Why are simulations like this so important in education?
They bridge the gap between theory and practice. Students can actively explore concepts, test hypotheses, and develop a deeper understanding through hands-on experimentation.
Where do you see the future of educational simulations heading?
More immersive experiences, integration with virtual and augmented reality, and personalized learning pathways tailored to individual student needs.
So this bat and butterfly echo simulator is a fantastic example of how technology can enhance learning. It's accessible, engaging, and promotes a deeper understanding of complex scientific concepts.
Absolutely. It's a testament to the power of open educational resources and the potential of interactive simulations to transform education.
That was a great discussion. Thanks for sharing your insights.